a 3D custom body. Well, it's a canine body with a 540 alcohol blown and injected motor producing 1,500 horsepower. This young lady hails from Cambridge, Minnesota. I want you to give a big round of applause for Casey Chrome Schroeder in Long Wall. All right, our next truck up, ladies and gentlemen, right here is a 1988 Silverado with a 540 big block blown alcohol injected motor producing 1,600 horsepower out of Jonesboro, Illinois. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Cameron. I'm Too Sexy Tweety in Carolina Crusher. All right, next one up, ladies and gentlemen, right here, if you would please, in a 1990 Ford with a 572 alcohol blown and injected motor, producing 1,600 horsepower out of Grand Forks, North Dakota. Give it up for Mike Raleigh in Burley, Tame. All right, our next truck up is a 3D custom Riptoid body with a 540 alcohol blown and injected motor producing 1,700 horsepower. Hails out of Dallas, Texas. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Austin Tweedy in Boss Gator. Do the Gator. And our last truck up, ladies and gentlemen, right here in the 2014 Chevrolet HD truck with a 540 alcohol blown and injected motor producing 1,400 horsepower. He hails out of Litchfield, Minnesota. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Mr. Josh Bumgarner in Mechanical Mischief. Ladies and gentlemen, we at Monster Truck Nitro Tour would like to pay tribute to the following people. If you are a firefighter, current retired, or first responder of any kind, current or retired, if you're in the military, current or retired, would you please stand so we can pay tribute to you with a song? That's right. Give these folks a big round of applause. They put their lives on the line for us every day when they leave. They don't know if they're going to be home or not. Ladies and gentlemen, it's great to see them. So please, let's pay a big tribute to them. Ready? 3, 2,